Hello guys, it's me, Dipa. Welcome back to new video of mine. Today's video is too special, in short very much important for the beginners, and for the peoples who are struggling for growth on YouTube. If you want to grow easily on YouTube, like other YouTubers, then best update YouTube brought for us. Without wasting any more time, let's jump into the video. Many YouTubers are there, who give their 100% and provide best quality content, still they are not getting views and growth, which they actually deserves. Main reason behind this is, YouTube can't recognize their content, in short YouTube not understanding for whom they are making videos, and which community they want to target, actually. So because of this, YouTube brought new feature to know its content creators, in detail in their interest and all. So that YouTube can provide their content, to the right peoples. For this, without skipping the video, follow the steps which I will tell you now. So open your Chrome browser, then search youtube.com. Then click on 3 dots top right hand side, then select desktop site. Then open customize channel option. Then something like this will open on your mobile. Then select the settings option, available at left bottom corner. Then this page will open, click on the creator demographics, so this is new thing introduced by YouTube. So click on the option take survey. So this kind of long write-up will open. In short YouTube saying, I will ask you few questions, that will help to grow community as well as, grow your channel. Don't need to worry, information will remain safe, and it will not be made public to peoples. If you are ready to answer the question, then click on, I agree. First question will come, in which you need to tell how many peoples own this channel. In short how many peoples uses this channel. So select the option and click on continue. Then accordingly fill all your information like language etc. If you want to read the questions, then you can pause the video and read all the questions. Once you are done by answering the all questions of the survey, then select on submit button. Then it will redirect you to this page. If you want to do any change in your answers, then you can select edit option. Even if you are not comfortable, then you can delete your response as well. So that's it for today's video guys. I hope you all liked this video, and please don't forget to comment down below on which topic you want next video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for more YouTube related videos. Till then take care guys, see you in next videos.